Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Karani Motors nekasngi kelawan rak skipat bak saya kawai pat kajak kali kabala ban penankam haga baket iki jengket haga dorol jangki mini truck bala khot kerteng kum ki super carry na ka company Maruti Suzuki. Kini kejak kali kita ki baningkong haga ni kathan cetai lami ni dari India bat ya kajing lang play pat bak na kabenta kini kali la pelong halat nongkrem. Ha kini kajing lang play lawan bani dan lang da Bharat Sampat ubadai regional manager in charge North East India kakong Inores Rani kabadi katra jang kini ke showroom u Jugal Shah ubadai territory manager bat ubak met bak lingdo. La play pat bak yakini ki super carry da Bharat Sampat.
Jugal Shah also can come here. So we have one for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Maruti Suzuki Super Carry unveiled.
So it was immense pleasure to be here and sharing this one. Maruti Suzuki, as we know, it is the leader in India in automobile segment. Last year we have sold close to 15 lakh cars across India. So it is average somewhere close to 1.3 lakh cars per month, which is the average sales we are doing. And we are having 50% market share in India. So that is every 2 cars sold in India, in that 1 car is Maruti Suzuki. So every 100 cars sold, Maruti is selling close to 70 cars in Meghalaya. So that is the strength. Thanks to all the Meghalaya people to patronize Maruti and support Maruti to have this high market share. And Maruti Suzuki's leader is not only in the overall these things. Whatever segment we are present, we are the leader. Let it be, it is in small car, mini car, mid-size segment, C segment, SUV. Let us, we have our Vitara Brezza. So in Vitara Brezza SUV segment also, Maruti is the leader. So that is the strength what Maruti has its. So whichever segment we come, yes, it might take time, but our aim is that we have to become the leader. So that is how we grow, and our dealers and the manpower which we have it, they also support in that one. Yes. So if we come to commercial channel, right now we are having a super carry model. Though it might be new for India, but Suzuki is selling this model across the world even 20 years before. So this model might be new for India, but we have a well experienced and this vehicle is well tested across the world, where Suzuki is a pioneer in this one, and we are selling more than 20 years this model. In India, we have launched as a pilot in July 2016. So to understand the market, since we are new here, so we want to understand the market. So in 4 states we have launched. From April 17 onwards, that is 2017 April, we have launched Pan India. So within a short span of West, in 3 months time, we are having close to 115 outlets across India. And in Northeast, this is the first outlet, and second outlet, it will be coming in Guwahati very quickly.
So if I talk about my Super 6, the first is powerful engine. The engine that we give is 793cc with 32 horsepower engine, which is highest and best in the segment so far, with 75 Nm torque. We have turbocharged twin cylinder engine. Turbocharged twin cylinder engine is the first of its kind in this segment, and with a top speed of 80 km/h. If I come to a second point, it's a mileage. It's a sin to talk about Maruti Suzuki and not talk about a mileage, because we are very famous for very cost efficient products. So our mileage is 22.1 km. Again, the best in the segment.
I give thanks to Rani Motors family, first of all. I drive this super carry now 1 week. The vehicle is very good and comfortable. And I have carried 600 bricks. The power also is gift. And the vehicle is so very good, it's so smooth when you drive. Thank you, Ujam. Actually, when I saw it, when they told me that I am about to launch this vehicle, I've tried for myself, and the pickup was very good, and I hope it meets like actually I'm distributing LPG distributor in Mairang. So I hope like it meets for our needs to gather the customers in Mairang, and I wish the Rani Motors all the best in their sales, and I hope they come up with new ventures, and God bless them.